I'll be showing you guys how to remove your memory card and SIM card from the new LG K51. So the tools that you'll need is, first you'll need what we call a SIM tool or a SIM popper. That's what you'll use to take out the plate where the SIM card is gonna go, which I'll show you guys. Next, sorry for the blurriness, but we have the SIM card itself. So in this case, I don't have a memory card to show you guys, but it will also go on that same plate. And lastly, we have the LG device, and you want to look for a small hole where you'll find a plate right there. So that little hole is where you're going to push in with the SIM tool in order for that plate to pop out, which I'll show you guys right now. The camera's a little blurry. Let me see if I can get closer here. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So you put the SIM tool inside of this hole and just push. You'll notice that the plate pops out. Now when that plate pops out, you'll just take it out, and there you'll notice that you have a slot for both the SIM card and a memory card. The top part will be for the memory card, the bottom one would be for the SIM card. So let's go ahead and insert the SIM card. That way you guys can see how it works. You just match the corner on the plate that's on that SIM card. So where it's cut, you're going to match together, and once it's flush, you just go ahead and put the plate back into the device. If you have a memory card, you will also follow the same instructions. You'll match the way that it's cut on the plate, and let's go ahead and put this back in there. So just push it until it's flush with the device. Let's go push it in. And that's it. There you have it. Now the memory card and the SIM card is inserted into the device. If you have to remove it, you go through the same process in order to remove both. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you share and subscribe this video. See you guys next time.